Today we're going to talk about a new topic that has become crucial with the business and finance transformation. We will be introducing you to process mapping, responsibility matrix, taxonomy, and key concepts on how to use these tools into your finance transformation journey. Process mapping is a widely accepted technique that aids in the documentation of process steps. It is particularly useful in clarifying interactions, distinguishing between value-added and non-value-added activities, assigning tasks and responsibilities, streamlining processes. Mapping the processes and defining roles and responsibilities can significantly improve performance and clarity of the organization. Recent studies have shown that if properly implemented, can raise significantly customer and employee satisfaction. What are the main benefits that can be obtained by process mapping? Clarity and understanding, identification of inefficiencies, risk management, compliance and auditing, process standardization, continuous improvement, training and onboarding, decision-making, integration and automation, customer and employee satisfaction. When it comes to process mapping and clarifying roles and responsibilities, two common matrices are often used, the LDP and the Raci Matrix. Each matrix has its own unique approach to defining roles. BPM, Business Process Management, and BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, are both related concepts used to analyze, design, and optimize business processes. BPMN is a specific notation used to represent and document business process models. Here's the breakdown of the Raci roles. Responsible, the person or role who is responsible for performing the tasks and activities necessary to complete a specific task or activity. They are the doers of the work. Accountable, the person or role who is ultimately accountable for the overall success of a project or process. There is only one A assigned to each task or activity. Consulted, individuals or roles who are subject matter experts or stakeholders whose input is valuable to the project or process. They are consulted for their expertise. Informed, individuals or roles who need to be kept informed about the progress or outcomes of a project or process. LDP is a responsibility assignment tool that focuses on the level of involvement and authority of individuals or roles in decision-making and task execution within a process. It classifies roles into three categories. Lead, the person or role who is in charge of leading and overseeing a particular activity or decision. Decide, individuals or roles who are responsible for making specific decisions related to the process. Participate, individuals or roles who actively participate in the execution of tasks or provide support. LDP and Raci are both frameworks for defining roles and responsibilities in a project or organization. LDP focuses on decision-making authority and involvement levels, using lead, decide, and participate categories. Raci categorizes roles as responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. My recommendation is, do not mix or use them together into the organization. Choose one of the two models and keep it for a period of time to guarantee consistency of documentation and process mapping. Process taxonomy is a definition of process levels of the business and their link with the day-by-day activities. BPM and BPMN are process mapping methodologies that help defining the process with rules and ensure consistency of the modeling. Common taxonomy used to define the processes that belong to finance or those in which is heavily involved and has steps to perform. Here are a list of processes commonly used. Purchase to pay, order to cash, record to report, master data management, cash and treasury, financial planning and controlling, tax and statutory reporting. This is not, however, an exhaustive list, and it has to be tailored to the organization needs during the process mapping. Let's see how we can link all the concepts and tools that we have learned during this presentation. Taxonomy is the hierarchy that we define for our processes and sub-processes. The responsibility matrix will define the roles of the different actors inside the process and shape our operational taxonomy. BPMN modeling is the methodology or tool that we use to map our process and guarantees consistency between different streams. We need all of them if we want to have an effective process mapping and role definition within the organization. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel.